Yo, what is up, YouTube? It's your boy Castanarius, and I saw that there was a need for something, so I'm stepping in, and I'm trying to start my graphic design tutorial series. I'm a self-taught graphic designer, and I learned a lot of things along the way, a lot of tools and tricks of the trade, and my goal is to help beginners step their game up. So with that being said, let's go. So one of the biggest issues I've seen in the cover art community is designers will take their font and then just do a center-based text. First word on the top, second word on the bottom. Very generic, and it doesn't really have a lot of personality to stand out. So I'm going to teach you guys how to take something like this and turn it into something like this. Has a lot of variety to it, looks really good. You can see here that there's variations between the S, the L, the I, the M, the E. The A hovers over the L, the U hovers over the G, and this just gives it way more personality than this. It's the same exact font, but this one just stands out more than the font right here. So I'm going to explain to you how I did this and how you can use this in future projects. So I'm gonna start over with a brand new project. Let's get started. All right, so I have a phrase that I'm working on. Let's just say that this is a generic project where I have a client that has a project called Gangsta Paradise that they want to work on. And you already know what font you want to use to match the theme. I'm going with something that I personally created, my Dark Times font. This is available for sale, but that's not why I'm here. Fun font, bam, you already have your font ready. But like I said, it doesn't seem to have a lot of variety going on with it. It's very, very bland. It's a simple text, top and bottom. So what I'm going to do is teach you guys how to take this same font and give it a little bit more personality and help it stand out more. So hold Alt and drag to create a copy. There is a tool within Adobe Illustrator that a lot of people are not aware of. I'm going to teach you guys what that is. If you go to the Type tool and go to the Touch tool, the Touch tool allows you to take a font and resize it and play with it without turning it into an object. So already I'm able to make variations to this font, size it up, move it around, and just help it stand out and make it look very, very different. It's fairly simple. You drag and drop. You have so many more options on what you can do with it. I can turn this upside down. This is a very fun way to take the same favorite font that you have and just give it a little bit more variety and play with it. So as you see here, I'm just playing around with it, trying to come up with a concept. Put that A under the P, raise that R, take this other A, take this D, make it bigger, bam. And just like that, I took the same font that I use here and gave it way more personality. This is a technique that you can use on any font. I'll show you examples. All right, so you look here, here's another example. I'm using the Chanela brush font. So much I could do with a font like this to help it stand out. I use the phrase, "the world is yours." So again, hold, go to my Touch Type tool, and I'll just play around with it till my heart's content to come up with something really cool. So let's see what I can come up with. So just like that, I was able to come up with a whole new concept and idea using this same font. And this is just a better way of designing or using typography for your projects. I hope this helps. I can't wait to see what you guys come up with. Peace.